It won't stop.
It can't be stopped.
I got pee.
Be careful, don't set the bar on fire.
I have this terribly rare disease. It's called Still Look Like You're 16 or something. It's a disease where I look like Derek if you made better life choices. It's a disease where I look like Gerard if he actually makes it. You know what I mean? It's a disease where I look like Tara. That's what I like. Roast. Give it up for your host, Melanie. I think. Is she a host? I haven't told yet. Doesn't Melanie, is she just a great host for like some type of STD? You know what I mean? Blair, what the fuck is your last name this week? Blair Renfro. I'm calling you Renfro. Give it up for Blair Renfro. Blair Renfro, for me personally. I know this. Blair, for me, every time I see Blair's set, it's like watching Jurassic Park. I haven't seen it yet. But I don't know if you guys know this, but Blair is a fucking wild child, ladies and gentlemen. He's fucking crazy. One time I saw Blair smoke one marijuana one time. I mean, talk about a fucking edgy cunt, am I right? Steven's here. I think. I don't know. What? Your probation officer let you out for the week. That's great. I love that. Steven, I wish I could write a joke, but I can only write jokes for comedians. Do more shows, man. Come on.
You should do more shows.
Bill's here. I wish I had something mean to say about Bill, but this might be his last one, so sorry about that. Bobby's here. Bobby, give it up for Bobby. I don't call Bobby Uncle Bobby because I already have an uncle, and if he's anything like my uncle, hopefully he has a stroke soon. Bobby, I'm glad you took time from arguing on Facebook to be here tonight. Really appreciate it. You're doing us all a great favor. Defending us with your liberal ideas. For me, watching Bobby set is like watching Forrest Gump. Haven't seen it yet. Gerard, you fucking walking Boondocks episode. Look at you. Piece of shit. That's all I got. Chris Davidson made it out tonight. That's great. He made it out of the abortion his mom tried to give him. That's great. Perfect. It's good. It's great. It's great. Chris, you fucking autist. I don't know if you guys know this, but autistic people are usually very good at three things. And for Chris Davidson, it's usually Street Fighter 2, and Street Fighter 3. He was fucking crazy. It's like all his life's dreams have been working up to that moment. And if you ever seen his set, you would see why. Not funny. Oh, Chris. Aaron Odom is a person.
Yeah.
Aaron Odom. I don't know if you guys caught on to this earlier, but Aaron fucks a lot of his family members. Like an uncomfortable amount. Like so much, I'm like, this is why I need feminism. You know what I mean? It's disgusting. Alright. Did I miss anybody? You guys are there for me. So. Zach! Mr. Zach Albers! Oh my god, Zach! God, you look like you just left the Axe body spray commercial. Jesus Christ. Zach, you look like a used Hollister mannequin. Oh my god. Zach, oh man. Zach, a lot of people think Zach is really arrogant, but really, he is so down to earth, ladies and gentlemen. He is so down to earth, because it's the only way he can tell you how great he is, you know what I mean? Zach, that fucking laugh you got though, that fucking like Zach, you just had that laugh from the back of the throat like you just saw a fat kid fall down, you know what I mean? Oh, Zach. A lot of people think Zach's a bad person. A lot of people think Zach, you know, he's like anti-feminist or he says so many mean things about women. I don't think Zach is a bad person. He's just a better alcoholic, you know what I mean? And I wish I had more things to say about you, Zach, but I've only known you for like a day. I mean, honestly, I hope you've... Alright, thank you guys, have a great night.